All right, Keansburg, New Jersey. It's 7:01 p.m. Time check. Let's do a weather check real quick, too. Let's see what the weather is right now. Let me see. I got to fix my phone. 1 second. Boom. So we're at 76 degrees. Let's stroll around Keansburg here. They got the race cars. Everybody getting ready. Everybody getting ready to rock. All right, so we got a line here for the race cars going on. Popular spot here, the race cars. Let's check out some of these cars coming through. NASCAR, New Jersey. NASCAR, Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore, NASCAR, there we go. All right. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, let's stroll around the amusement park here a little bit. Oh yeah, such great weather today. Good day to come down here. We got the new Adidas bag we're rocking the camera in. I mentioned it before, but I'm just mentioning again because it's the first day that we're really rolling with it, experimental. But so far, the bag is really holding up very well. Little big guy, our Pocket 3, seems to be enjoying the bag, so that's cool. I'm not fumbling around with the camera like I was in the other bag. The other bag was good, but this one seems very good for what we're doing, walking with the camera. And it's more subtle. This bag is more subtle. All right, so we have balloon darts. Cool, balloon darts are cool. We got the teacup ride over here.
I think I would change.
Got the teacups. Yeah, so let's just stroll around a little bit. They got the Pavilion Grill here. Looks like a cool local spot. They got the super slide. Looks like somebody's going to be coming down the super slide. Let's see, somebody's coming down the super slide. Let's see it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, so we got the spot over here. cool spot here. Nice and laid back. Like a cool little local spot. Alright, alright, alright. Good times down here at the Keansburg. Got Cheesy's Pizza over here. Got the slide. Somebody coming down the slide again. Okay, let's stroll down this way.
Levantante, dale patada a la muchacha. Ahí dárselo a ella.
Are you going to get playing in Jan?
So you wanted it just to control?
Yeah.
Esos días.
Looks like the bumper cars are about to start, but I'm not sure here. Let's see if we can catch the bumper cars.
Wait till I say it's okay to stand up for your microphone.
There we go, bumper cars. Pretty cool bumper cars. catch this ride. We can see it. We can see it. Got the ice cream spot here.
En was foto.
El polvo es la mejor cosa.
All right, we got some freestyle music. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, Keansburg, New Jersey.